How to sell your NOTCOIN in TONKEEPER wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, you just need to start by opening up your TONKEEPER application and sign into your account. Then what you need to do is to simply go for the swap option, which is in the middle of your screen. Now let's say you want some USDT into your account that you want to withdraw onto your bank or card. You can simply click on the send option and simply search for NOTCOIN. Now once you selected that, click on receive and you just need to search for USDT or any other crypto that you want. In my case, I will simply go for Tether USDT. Then you just need to enter the amount that you have into your NOTCOIN. Then you just need to proceed further, but make sure to also check the slippage settings by clicking on top left of your screen and make sure to select accordingly. Then you can simply proceed further, and this is how you can sell your NOTCOIN in TONKEEPER wallet.